Okay, now let's dive right into analyzing this new facility. As you can see, this base is pretty clear, and it looks like sometime between 1983 and 1998 it was built, and it looks like it is part of this right here. And so you can see that this was both erected in sometime before 1998, and here is the other entrance from our video, and the one we're concentrating on here, which is this entrance. One is I bet you this one up here is the main entrance, and this is an emergency exit like we were talking about in the other one. But you can clearly see that there's something there. I won't go through this because it's not very clear, but what we're going to look at now is, let's go back to 1945, see what it looked like then. So, I mean, there was nothing there. 1952, think about what's going on in the world. And it is not really until 1983 they start to do something in here, and then they start to, preparation and execution. Let's go ahead and switch over and look at some better imagery and analyze this going back in time up until the most recent, so 2014. And I love the shadows. They just tell you so much. That is very tall. So we're talking taller than a semi truck right there, and in 2 layers. So they must have started here and then started back here. Great picture of it there. You can see they totally sliced right into that. And we're going to go look at the above part section 2 in the same fashion. I am looking at this with you live as well. I haven't seen these yet. I saved them to do it while recording. Not a lot here, though. For size, I wish I knew what those were. Some kind of rail system in and out of this. Doesn't it kind of look like it goes unused? Again, see, this must be old. Let's take a scroll up here. And this is, if you remember from the original video, this is the other one we found. And then let's give you another look here. So see how that is angled right up in there? Let's look where we're going to look over here. Here is the other location. Look at that, right up into the mountain. So this one I haven't seen at all. And I didn't even notice this the first time around. Yeah, wow. Same thing. I had just noticed this. This had caught my eye. It's funny, it's right out of the mountain. For transport, easy access. Look at that. This is, that's even bigger than the other one. I think this is the main entrance because it's got the heli. The other side must be the exit. And it kind of looks like by the time we get to our years now, it kind of looks unused. These things kind of just look like they're going out of style here. When did that hangar? They started to tear this hangar down between 2014 and 2018. Tearing it all down. See, maybe this facility is no longer in use, probably because of satellite imagery, right? But I find this pretty interesting. Here's a better look at the area that we were looking at in the historical imagery. This was not here until, what year was that? Around 1983. That's when they decided to do this area. And that's when we see these things pop in here. And that's got to be in an emergency exit. And they both go into this. So let's get a better look at this mountain as a whole. So in, out. So if one goes in here, you got to think it goes out here. So it's got to be that big. And you know, if they made it that big, they might as well spend the money and make it twice as big, right? So maybe it's this entire complex. And maybe it's even cheaper to then go ahead and make it, you know, quadruple or 20 times the size. Anyway, let me know what you think of this analysis. Let me know your opinions. I came across this completely by accident, was completely blown away. So I had a lot of fun with this. I'd like to know what you guys think this actually is. If you think it could be UFO related, or is it just storage? Is it just, you know, testing? You know, maybe this is all old. You know, everything's probably in the ocean now, right? Okay, so I gotta record the fail, right? I gotta record the fail. So this is the Yucca Mountain Nuclear Waste Repository. Found it by accident. That's what this is. You know, it's pretty cool though to see your analysis totally, you know, I didn't know this. I swear. And so, it's cool to see. It's cool to see that we were semi right here. Anyway, I'm gonna include this in the title, but just know that when I first recorded this, I had no idea, and I was gonna upload this as if no one's ever seen this before. So this will be a Yucca Mountain complex analytical view of an underground base. In the recording of the initial video, I didn't know that either. So have fun with that. Thanks for tuning in.